Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to show you with PowerShell how you can find the version of Exchange using a simple one-liner. So I've already prepared the command. So if you're running Exchange 2010, obviously this number here will change to a 4 to make it version 14. In this case, I'm running Exchange 2019, so it'll be version 15.2. If it was 2016, it'll be 15.1. But just so you get an idea of what this does, is basically the command is get-exchange server pipe where the admin display version is like 15 dot. So if I have to press enter, you can see that I've got two servers configured and they're running version 15.2. so this command will bring up anything that's basically 15. If there was a .1 in here, it would have shown the .1. If it was 2013, it would have shown 2013 as well. But off the bat, that is pretty much how easy it is to get the admin display version. If you wanted to pipe this basically into name and admin display version, for example, we could then copy this and we could extend it. We could format the list, name, comma, that, and then you can see it's actually a lot easier to read, where I know the name of my Exchange server, and now instead of it being cut off here, I can then basically see what build I'm on. I think I'm running CU4 here, or CU5. I haven't upgraded my servers yet to the latest one. So off the bat, there you go. You know what you're running. And if somebody asks for information, or if you want to know what's in an environment that you're supporting, this is how you can find information. Thank you very much for watching.